Hi, I'm Gerard O'Connor and I'd like to describe new diplomas which we have on offer in 2025. The diploma I wish to describe is the Level 8 diploma in the Digitalisation of manufacturing processes. This diploma is motivated by the twin transition towards an increasingly sustainable and data-enabled productive or manufacturing economy. The consequence of both of these developments is that the manufacturing processes that we use in industry have to evolve. This diploma enables participants to develop skills for this challenge. We do this by answering 3 questions in this diploma. The first question is centred on materials. How do the manufacturing processes impact the functionality, properties and structures of materials is the first question. The second question is centred on manufacturing technologies. What modern manufacturing methods are available for use in generating products responsibly? The third question is centred on enabling technologies. What new enabling technologies can be considered to structure, shape and functionalise materials to enable these more complicated devices for the future? The digitalisation theme is all about data, using data to make individual parts when they're needed. Also harvesting data during manufacturing to optimise processes. The new diploma is called Digitalisation of Manufacturing Processes. It's available at Level 8 or Level 9 as a PG cert in key enabling technologies. Thank you very much for your attention.